If you're running an online store and need clean, high-quality product images without expensive photo shoots, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to use Nano Pro inside OpenArt AI to create e-commerce product images with AI step by step. And also quick reminder before we start, you'll find a direct link to OpenArt AI in the video description, so you can open it now and follow me in this video. Let's begin, guys. So let me first give you an introduction about what Nano Pro is and what it's used for in e-commerce. So Nano Pro is an AI model inside OpenArt AI designed for product-focused image generation. It's especially good at clean product renders, studio-style lighting, consistent angles, realistic materials and textures. And this makes it ideal for Shopify product listings, Amazon-style product images, ads and banners, and also website hero sections. Alright, and in order to start, you can just go into your home page in here and you can choose the image and then create an image, or you can just go to image here and choose the image generation in here. So for example, create an image, create now. And now in here, this is going to be our interface. As you can see, I already created some images before, but we will make even more. Now, guys, how do we choose the Nano Pro? So you just go to the model or character and choose switch. And in here, as you can see, we have the Nano Pro by Google standard. So choose this model. Also, don't forget that this is available through the subscription. The essential one that I bought, for example, that you can also purchase by using our link in the video description. And now, having switched to Nano Pro, we are, of course, ready to input our prompts. So the prompt panel is going to be your best buddy because this is going to be how you create your images. And also just don't forget that you need to be in the image generation, not editing. So I showed you and led you into the proper stage. And now this model is optimized for commercial looking visuals. So it's important to select it before writing any prompts. All right, and now what do we do next? And now you need to describe your product clearly. And now let me give you an example prompt. I will just delete this one and let me show you an example. So for example, I will use this prompt, as you can see. And in here, what do we need for a good e-commerce prompt and what should it include? So firstly, product name and type, color and material, lighting style, background type, and words like e-commerce product photo or studio product shot also need to be included. And then we will just need to choose other elements, which are, you can choose the image for guidance. So if you have a reference image that you can use and want to use for the final result to be more customized and personal, you can upload and give it kind of a guidance from which it should start and create. And then in the output settings, you choose the size. I will choose the classic 4.3. It will, I suppose, will work for creating the e-commerce product image. Then choose the resolution. I will choose 1K is fine. I will choose that one. And the number of images, I will go max 4 images at a time. And then don't forget about credits. You will see a summary of how many you will be charged for creating a certain amount of images and at a certain quality. So if I go 4K, as you can see, my OpenArt shows me that I will, of course, be charged more credits. And when you're ready, just press on create and let the turbo, as you can see, the turbo is on, let the AI create your images. And Nano Pro will create multiple variations. You can look for clean edges, correct proportions, realistic lighting, and no visual artifacts. So just open up a photo and just check so that it's not having any issues. And if something looks off, adjust material descriptions, simplify the background, and generate with small prompt tweaks. And then when you're ready to download, just press on download, save it to your PC, and now as you can see, I have this pretty nice, pretty neat image of these headphones standing on this little transparent plastic stand. Looks pretty nice and pretty clean. So this is the first one. Then we have the second image with the same products, but I guess laying on the table. Then just the products with a white background, and another one also with a white background. So I would say this one looks pretty neat. I would use this one in my e-commerce store, and yeah, that's pretty much your generated result. And that's pretty much it. If you want to try this yourself, you'll find the OpenArt AI link in the video description, so make sure to check it out. And thank you for watching.